This is a Pike Washita Oilstone. It is 8 7/32 of an inch long by 2 5/32 of an inch wide by 29/32 of an inch deep. The specific gravity is 2.4166. I don't have the back label for it, but I still have the remnant of the end label. So this stone is fine. Medium hard grit. And I also have the remnants of the side label, the guarantee. I have more than that, even though it's in very bad shape. The stone was really, really oily when I got it. As you can see, I have more remnants, but I'm not going to take them out because they're fragile. So, anyway. Pretty large one, too. Anyway. This has been stripped for, it's been oil stripped for a couple of months, if I had to guess, and it's still this color. But it takes some water, so go figure. Anyway. It's all lapped. And passing light. Not a cheap stone, but a very, very nice one.